Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send high quality photos on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to send high quality photos on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp and make sure that the photos which you want to send on WhatsApp is shot from a high quality device. And with that being said guys, after making sure the photo is high quality itself, on the WhatsApp section at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a three dot icon. Tap on that and the settings option will appear. Tap on the settings which is just above the switch accounts, and on this interface guys you can see there is the storage and data option available for us. Tap on the storage and data. Now over here guys you can see there is the media auto download option available for us at the below. And now in order to proceed from over here to send high quality photos on WhatsApp, you can see there is the when using mobile data and when connected on Wi-Fi, make sure that anything on the mobile data is turned off. Supposedly the photos is currently enabled for us. Now now let's untap it or unselect it from this service of the WhatsApp and tap on OK. And when using mobile, turn off any media while using your data. And on the Wi-Fi section where it says the when connected on Wi-Fi, tap over there and tap in photos, audio and videos and documents, everything selected over here like this guys. It would be off if it's like this, and tap on it, it will be selected and turned on. Tap on OK. By this way guys, when the mobile data was being used, it would be on data efficient mode on WhatsApp by default, but when we are connected on Wi-Fi, everything will be downloaded and sent at a high quality on WhatsApp. And with that being said guys, this is how to send high quality photos on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.